Hey guys, Techie Messi here, and today we'll be figuring out how to change our mouse pointer speed. I wanted to show other cool things as well, but unfortunately I can't due to the fact that my screen recorder doesn't actually show these special effects. So I'll have to leave it for later. So first you go to your Windows thingy, then search up mouse, then just press enter or just click this. Then you go pointer options, and then you can enhance your pointer precision, and also you can change the speed. So let's say I click slow, it's going to apply instantly. You can apply it yourself, test it with other things. But if you like your mouse being fast, which I do for fast working, I'll go fast, click apply, and it would move around really quickly. You can also do other things like displaying the pointer tail, etc. But unfortunately my screen recorder doesn't allow me to capture this. I don't know why though. And you can do a bunch of other really cool things. So let's say I press the control key, it'll show me where my pointer is. So I press control, it'll do that. So you don't have to press and hold the control key, you just have to click it normally when doing this. Other than that, you can change your pointers and stuff, you can customize it. Like this for example, apply. Looks really old though, so I'm going to stick with the simple version. Apply. Bit too big. Apply. Here we go. And other than that, you can also increase your button speed, etc. The wheels, hardware. But right now all that matters is this pointer speed, and that's how you change a pointer. That's how you change your pointer speed. Thank you. And after you finish sorry, just click OK, and that's it. Thank you.